In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on GitHub. This feature can make your coding experience more comfortable, especially if you're working late at night or in dimly lit environments. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to GitHub. You can do this by typing github.com in your address bar and hitting Enter. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your GitHub credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, ready to get started. Next, we need to navigate to your settings. Look for your profile icon, which you'll usually find in the top right corner of the page. It often looks like a little silhouette or a custom avatar you've uploaded. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your GitHub account. Once you're in the Settings area, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll want to find the section labeled Appearance. Clicking on this will bring you to a menu where you can adjust how GitHub looks and feels. It's here that we'll be making our dark mode magic happen. Now, look for the Theme Mode section within the Appearance settings. This is where you'll find the option to switch to dark mode. You'll see a selection of themes available to you. Find the one that says black or dark and click on that to select it. It's that simple. As soon as you select the dark mode option, GitHub will automatically update. You don't have to save any settings or reload the page. Your entire GitHub experience will immediately shift to a darker palette, making it not only easier on the eyes, but also adding a bit of style to your coding environment. And there you have it. Dark mode is now activated across your GitHub experience. You'll notice the background shifts to a deep black or gray, and the text becomes lighter, which contrasts beautifully against the dark background. This small adjustment can make a huge difference, especially during those long coding sessions. No longer will your eyes feel strained from staring at a bright white screen for hours on end. With dark mode, you may find it easier to focus on your work without the distraction of harsh lighting. So, whether you're browsing repositories, commenting on issues, or even managing pull requests, everything will feel fresher and more comfortable. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel